Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today as you can see, the grapes won out today. I will be starting them and I'll be starting right down in here. And the color that I have selected is 352. So yeah, I'm going to be working on the grapes. Let's see what we can get done here. And let me pull you in so you can see what is, whoops, sorry, went a little bit too far. There we go. Yeah, see what I'm doing? I got little pieces of stuff here, there, and everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I gotta go to work today. Why not, right? Gives us all something to do. For sure, for sure. Yesterday was kind of a quiet day. I mean, as days go. I mean, I went to the grocery store and picked up the rest of the stuff that I needed so that I could have nachos with the game. So, yeah, I was glad I got to watch the game. And I stitched earlier. What in the heck is going on? Oh my goodness, what was I stitching on? Those watercolor peonies for a bit. And what else? I did stitch, a little bit on the, oh my goodness. Is it Red Dream ladies? The ones with the beads. For a bit. Got a little bit done on that. But yeah, just not too much. So, yeah. Grocery store wasn't too horribly busy, and the weather was just, oh my god, that thing doesn't stay still. Weather wasn't bad at all. I mean, we had lovely sunshine and not a lot of wind. It's slight breeze, but nothing too terrific there. So hopefully it can maintain this like the rest of the week. Would be nice to just stay in the 40s and not have to put up with sub-zero weather. I'm telling you. It was so warm in the house, I put my electric blanket back on my bed. I had to turn it down last night because I'm so used to that sub-zero thing, you know, and trying to get everything warm. I had to kick it down a notch. So that was a good fun thing. So, and then for most of the day I only had the heater in the front room running and the one in the bedroom just on low, you know, because the sun was out and it was making everything nice and toasty. So why use electricity if I didn't have to, you know? Oh, now don't get squirrely on me. What the heck have we got going on here? Yeah, there's quite a few colors right here in this, so I just picked one that was kind of a main theme, if you will, today. Can't believe it'll be Tuesday already. That last week has just gone pretty darn fast. I'm looking. We'll see if we can handle this for a while. Because, yeah, I have practically beat that finger to death from stitching. Oh my goodness. This color doesn't look like it should go right there. But I guess it does. I guess once you get everything else around it, it'll look a whole lot different. But this is more of a peach tone than a red. So we'll see how that all comes out in the wash. But I am thrilled sick about this material. That it's very nice and will be crunchable, if you will. I kind of like that when that happens. Because then I don't have to hang on to it so hard. I stitched so hard on Saturday on that Watertown memory that, you know, it was holding a lot of material at one time. And I guess it just tired my hand out completely. So by the time I got to yesterday, it was like, let's pick something a little bit lighter weight. That's why I went to the peonies and the watercolor thing. Because, yeah, needed to do something a little different. And then I also worked on my beaded cross stitch on Saturday, so that tends to put my neck and arm or shoulder into a snit. So had a lot of things I did on Saturday that contributed to why I didn't stitch a lot on Sunday. Plus I was running around. Then I had to cut all that stuff up for the nachos, and that way it's already cut. And so if I want that tonight or tomorrow, I can finish up with that. But it's already cut and done, so I like that part. You can just, especially on a night that I come home from work, all I have to do is just basically heat up the cheese and throw it all together, so. And heat up the meat, of course. Where did those silly scissors go? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, they're over here. I'm like, what the heck? You know, when you don't even move and then you lose something. Talk about frustrating. I'm telling you. Some days the right hand don't know what the left hand's doing for the most part. I don't have any needle minders that have, I don't think I have any with butterflies or grapes, so we're just using that one today. It's nice and small and kind of lightish weight. And I love the fact that this is not pure white fabric. Yeah, this is going to be stunning. And it should be easy to do stitch-wise. At least make you look like you accomplished something, because it's an 11 count. It's 14 counts. They just kind of grate on my nerves some days. Because you can stitch and stitch and stitch. Case in point is Colorful Town, and it doesn't even look like you did anything. Drives me batty. Come here. So yeah, well, I didn't want to start with the leaves. I wanted to start with the grapes. There's a lot of shades of green in this. So But nice big areas, you know. So, big enough, you know, they're not overwhelmingly like half a side of the whole thing is one color. It's like, oh my gosh. Yeah, it'll take a hot moment to get through that. Nope. Moving on. So, we'll just get to the crux of the picture and work on the grapes. Because I think they're going to have a lot of different shades in them. So we'll just have to wait and see, right? Oh, I made a really small order from AliExpress. It's just one cross stitch, but oh, it is so pretty. So I have no idea when that's gonna get here. I mean, it's fair size, don't get me wrong. I think it's like maybe 100 centimeters. I don't know how much over that. It's not ginormous or anything. Oh, gotta get that one too while we're there, or we'll just really mess up. Yeah, and I didn't fathom wanting to work on that pale yellow. Gonna have to have really extremely good light for that. So I may do the rest of it and do the yellow part last. Just not sure. Or when my eyes are feeling stronger than they are today. I can see what I'm doing today. For a change. And I didn't have a problem the whole time I was working on Watertown Memory. Being able to see what the symbol was, like that other side of that canvas. Man, it's a piece of work. So it'll take us a hot moment to get all the way over there, so I'm not real worried about it. But it just reiterates why I'm working on the left side instead of the right. So, where are we going here? Come on. So we'll just work right here. Symbols are very clear in this, so it's very easy to see this. Compared to some that I have, whoops, I dropped the needle, that I have done from the Spring Company. I had that problem way back. I got a couple of skinny long, they were not skinny by any means. They were probably 60 centimeters across, maybe even a little bit bigger, maybe 70 by 150-ish. But it was on that darker fabric. It was, I think it's some kind of like town or overlooking a garden type scene. And some of those symbols were hard to, like you'd have two shades of this turquoise. That's more where, I mean, I could see it, but I couldn't tell if it was the darker one or the lighter one, or if there were both right there, and that it was bad. Yeah, you notice we haven't stitched on that for a while. Some days I just gotta have the energy to work that hard at cross stitch. So we'll see. I might drag it out someday. Since that goes all the way up there, we're just gonna cut right over here and work on this for a hot moment. But I don't think this will be too difficult to stitch. Those two problem areas with that gray and the yellow are going to be the worst parts. So I can stitch around them for years. I don't have to do that until I can absolutely see it better. But that would be my major complaint about this canvas, and this canvas alone. I've never seen them do that. Joy Sunday is famous for putting like a light yellow symbol somewhere close to the edge. I mean, not the edge, but on the edge of where the white canvas meets that yellow. And there have been times I've had to really just look it up. It's like, come on, people. You got 10 billion colors to your disposal. Figure it out. Use something else. It just, I don't get it. I would love to tour those places and have a few conversations with the people that print these things. But, you know, that probably won't ever happen. But it'd be interesting. It'd answer a whole bunch of questions as to why this happens or that happens, or why the rain gets things wet, you know. If you could just see it in person. Yeah. Okay, Joy Sunday. I'm willing and ready to get on a plane or a boat and come and check out your facility. Give you a good review if, you know, things turn out well. Oh, well, you know. It is what it is. Put that there, put the needle over there, the right way so you don't jam it into your hand trying to put it in the thing. So yeah, it just kind of goes right along, but the symbols, I just can't get over how clear and crisp the symbols are. There's just no guesswork. I love that. I love it. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today and putting up with me blathering on and on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.